What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of RC Voodoo. Today I have another RC here from Banggood. This is the MN88S Soviet. This is very similar to the WPL B series that you get the tanker on the back. There's a couple different versions of this one. A toy grade RC. You get extra leaf springs for the front and the rear. You get all these little attachments. I've already stuck them on here for the mirrors and the lights. Door handles. It has opening hood, opening doors. Down to the bottom, it's got the seesaw rear suspension, leaf spring in the front. These are fully upgradable. You can get the metal seesaws, you know, all that stuff, but the real ticket with these is the body. The running gear, like I said, is toy grade at best. Despite what anybody else says, these are toy grade RCs, but the bodies are very detailed, and what I think is the selling point for the WPLs and the MNs is the detailed body. So this is just another version of the B series offered by WPL. Like this one's got the cargo back. Like I said, WPL has the tanker edition. So really good for guys that want to get these and just love upgrading them, strip them all down. Basically keep the body and the frame rails and everything else replaced. Comes with radio. It does have you know, proportional steering and throttle. Try to turn it on here. Like always, the lights are going to blink until the remote is turned on, and then headlights come on. Let's see. Apparently you can take the gas tank apart here. Let me snap that back together. See if it's got... Okay, there's no tail lights on this one, just the headlights. So So like I said, these are toy grade RCs, but the bodies are very detailed. Opening doors, interior, opening hood. Perfect for the guys that love to go complete upgrade on them. Shocks, axles, the whole seesaw rear end here. You can get all this in upgraded metal. And see, that needs a little bit of glue on there to keep that together. But there's really no sense to do a run video on this because everyone knows how stock MN and WPLs operate before upgrades. So just a very nice addition to the 18th scale, or is these 16th? Yeah, these are 16th scale. So if you want another military vehicle to add to your fleet in 16th scale, this is a good one to look at. It does have the holes in the top of the bed rails here for the, if you want to put the canopy top on. That don't come with it, but this is how you get it with the door handles, and they did give you one extra door handle and one extra spotlight in case you lose yours. And like I said, extra leaves for the front and the rear. But it comes with the roof rack. Everything you see on it now is what comes with it. So I will leave a link in the description. If If anybody's interested in adding this to their fleet, I'll leave a coupon code. And thanks for watching. That's going to do it. Until next time, take care.